Welcome to the best picks. The best gutter patch kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for any homeowner. Gutters are vital for protecting your home from water damage, and when they fail, it can lead to costly repairs. In this video, we'll dive into the world of gutter patch kits, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to choose the right one to keep your home safe and sound. Number 5. EternaBond RoofSeal White 4x 50-foot RV Roof Repair Tape. This is a one-step repair system. It creates a durable, waterproof, and airtight seal. It's designed to make your repairs simple and effective. This tape is perfect for various applications. You can use it on metal buildings, RV roofs, drain pipes, and even boats. It bonds to many different surfaces. The aluminum backing and microsealant create a strong barrier. This means no extra sealing is required. It remains flexible even in extreme cold. The tape provides a protective coating. It's designed to resist abrasion and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting protection for your surfaces. The tape has a UV-stable backing. This means it can withstand fluctuating temperatures and direct sun exposure without deteriorating. It's built to last. It's incredibly easy to use. Just apply the sticky tape, and you're done. There are no messy solvents or extra adhesives needed, making the cleanup a breeze. What we like. This tape is built to last with excellent UV resistance, ensuring it won't deteriorate under the sun. It's a one-step solution, making repairs quick and easy. If you have an RV or metal building, this tape's multi-surface compatibility makes it perfect for a durable, waterproof seal. What people say. This tape is amazing. It is flexible enough to form around non-flat surfaces, and once it is down, you can forget about pulling it back up, totally seals to the surface, including your fingers. Use this on a horse trailer's aluminum roof. 26-foot long, worked great and 1 year later still looks great. Excellent adhesion, tape is thick enough to protect and adheres to metal and fiberglass. Number 4. Gaffer Power Black Butyl Waterproof Repair Tape. This heavy-duty tape grips firmly to wet or dry surfaces. It's perfect for various repairs, from roof patches to pipe leaks. Use it indoors or outdoors to fix leaks on pools, tanks, and containers. The tape creates a tight seal that gets even stronger with pressure. The tape is flexible and easily conforms to different shapes. This makes it ideal for curved surfaces like gutters and pipes. It also has good resistance to solvents and moisture. This waterproof tape is also great for mobile homes, RVs, and sheds. It's UV resistant, ensuring it lasts a long time. Gaffer Power is committed to quality, using only the best US-sourced materials. The tape is manufactured under strict guidelines. What we like. This tape offers a heavy-duty seal, ideal for those tough leaks and cracks. Its flexible nature allows it to conform to any shape, perfect for gutters and pipes. If you are looking for a reliable, US-made product, this tape provides a strong, lasting solution for various repair needs. What people say. The tape went on nicely, conformed to the curves of the top, and it completely sealed the cracks. Provides a strong, protective, waterproof covering that stays in place. I got this tape and put it up and it has solved the problems. It feels sturdy. The adhesive is nice and it is malleable enough to mash it into hard-to-reach areas in the eaves trough. Number 3. XFasten Waterproof Seal Tape, Roof and Gutter Repair. Introducing the XFasten Waterproof Seal Tape. This white tape provides an instant watertight seal on various surfaces. It's a quick and easy solution for your leak problems. This tape features a waterproof silicone butyl adhesive, allowing it to repair surfaces even when submerged in water. It's designed to handle tough conditions. The tough rubber backing makes it easy to apply, even for those with little to no experience. You can achieve professional-grade results quickly and effortlessly. The flexible rubber surface resists tears, heat, and frost. It's a reliable outdoor solution, even in extreme temperatures, from -30°F to 374°F. This swift response tape can be applied in all weather conditions, on both smooth and rough surfaces. It's designed for long-term, dependable repairs. What we like. This tape can be applied even underwater, offering a unique advantage for various repairs. It's puncture resistant, ensuring a long-lasting seal. If you like a quick and easy fix for leaks on boats or pools, this tape is your go-to solution, providing professional-grade results with minimal effort. What people say. This is a good tape for stopping water leaks. Product worked great and was easy to put on, durable, looked identical to what was on the roof from factory. Super sticky. Used it to patch a small leak on the roof of my shed. Number 2. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape, Black, for x 10 foot. Introducing the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. This tape creates a permanent bond, instantly sealing out air, water, and moisture. It's designed to provide a lasting solution for your repair needs. This all-purpose tape works wherever you need it. Whether indoors or outdoors, in the rain or shine, or even underwater, it gets the job done. It's versatile and ready for any challenge. The specially formulated adhesive conforms to any surface. It's perfect for repairing holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. It ensures a strong and reliable seal on various materials. The heavy-duty backing is designed to withstand the elements. It resists moisture and UV rays, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can count on it in any weather. This waterproof tape is your go-to solution for leaks. It's ideal for roofs, rubber, plastic, or vinyl pool liners. It offers a reliable fix for various leaks. What we like. This tape creates a permanent bond, ensuring a lasting repair. It's designed for all-purpose use, indoors or outdoors, rain or shine. If you are looking for a reliable solution for leaks on various surfaces, this tape's weather-resistant properties make it a dependable choice. What people say. It's sealed and doesn't leak. Works very well. Seems very strong and grips very well. Once on, it is good on all weather. Use this as a last resort, knocks the crap out of the competitors. This was the third attempt using various other products, all the others peeled off and or failed to stop the leaks. This stuff. I reckon you could tow a car with it. And it is less than half the price of its main competitor. Number 1. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape, White. Introducing the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. This tape creates a permanent bond, instantly sealing out air, water, and moisture. It's designed to provide a lasting solution for your repair needs. This all-purpose tape works wherever you need it. Whether indoors or outdoors, in the rain or shine, or even underwater, it gets the job done. It's versatile enough for any situation. The specially formulated adhesive conforms to any surface. It's perfect for repairing holes, cracks, gaps, and tears. This tape ensures a strong and reliable seal on various materials. The heavy-duty backing is designed to withstand moisture and UV rays. It won't yellow over time, ensuring it maintains its integrity. This tape is built to last in any weather condition. This waterproof tape is ideal for fixing leaks. It can be used on roofs, rubber, plastic, or vinyl pool liners. It provides a reliable solution for various leak repairs. What we like. This tape creates a permanent bond, ensuring a lasting repair. It's designed for all-purpose use, indoors or outdoors, rain or shine. If you are looking for a reliable solution for leaks on various surfaces, this tape's weather-resistant properties make it a dependable choice. What people say. Used it to temporarily fix a drain pipe and it worked just like I hoped and better. It rained yesterday and no more drips. Effective. I love this tape for patching up holes in my canopy tent. Sticks very well and strong. Also water resistant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.